If you can, please download or print out the PDF file on the description below so you can work with me. Commission is usually for salespeople, for example, car dealers or real estate agents. With commission, the salespeople get a percentage of the value of goods that they sold. For example, calculate the commission for 2.5% on sales of $4,850. So the commission is 2.5%, mean per 2.5 per 100 of this, so which is $4,850. Now just put in a calculator, 2.5 divided by 100 times 4,850. $121.25. So $121.25. There you go. Part B. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. So the commission is 8.25% of $3,850. So 8.25% means per 100. And you times by 3,850. 8.25 divided by 1,000 times 3,850. $317.63, because the number after 2 is 5, so we add 1 to 2, so it becomes 63. $317.63. Next one. Jack is a car salesperson. He is paid a retainer of $160 per week plus a commission of 2.5% of the profits made by the company on cars sold. Part A. How much does Jack earn in a week when no sales are made? So when he doesn't make any sales, that means he gets the minimum wage. That is retainer, so $160. That's all he gets. Part B. How much does Jack earn in a week if he makes a sale of $25,000? So he will get 2.5% of this, and we plus the retainer, which is $160. So he will get $160 plus 2.5% on the amount he made, so which is $25,000. So 160 plus 2.5 divided by 100 times 25123, $785. Next one. Liam is a car salesman. He is paid a weekly retainer of $325 plus a commission of 2% on the value of his sales in excess of $30,000. Find his total pay for a week when his sales total are: Part A, $20,000. So we know that the minimum he gets for a week is $325. So on a particular week, he only sells for this much, which is $20,000. So less than 30. So therefore, he doesn't get any commission at all. So therefore, his income for the week is $325. Part B. So he make a sale of $35,000. So that means it's more than $30,000. So you remember $35,000 is equal to 30,000 plus 5,000. Any amount that above 30,000 and he will get 2%. So 5,000 above the 30,000. So his pay will get $325 plus 2% on this amount, which is 5,000. So 2 over 100 times 5,000. So I can cancel this with these two. So 2 times 50 is 100. Add 325. So we'll get $425. That is his income for the week. Please stop the video. Try part C yourself. So on a particular week, he make a sale of 54,000. So if we use 54,000, 1, 2, 3, minus 30,000, so will give me 24,000. This means that 24,000 above 30,000, because 54,000 is equal to 30,000 plus 24,000. So therefore, he will get 2% of the $24,000 plus the retainer. So his income for the week is $325 at 2% of 24,000. There you go. And I can cancel this to 0 here. And I can just put in calculator. So I just go 325 plus 480 plus 480. Okay, otherwise just type exactly the same on a calculator. So you should get $805. $805. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. So we know Jim sell a property worth $200,000. Now he received 2.5% on first $250,000. 5.25% of $200,000. Because 200,000 is less than 250,000. Therefore he only gets 5.25%. So which equal to, so 5.25 divided by 100 times 200,000. There you go. So $10,500. $10,500. Part B, 800,000. This means that is way exceed 250,000. So he will get 5.25% of this and plus 2% on whatever left. So the first one is 5.25% of 250,000 first. And then we add. So what's left? So we can just minus it from 800,000. So I can just go 800,000 minus 250. 1, 2, 3. So that means 800,000 is equal to 550,000 plus 250,000. So we'll get 5.25 on 250 and 2% on 550,000. So I just write 2% times $550,000. There you go. So all I need to do now is just to type that in the calculator. So I go 5.25 over 100 or divide by 100, whichever way you like, times 250,000, 1, 2, 3, plus 2%, so 2 over 100 times 550,000. So that is $24,125. So $24,125. Thank you so much for watching.